We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Check it out, man. We got a 2016 Dodge Charger road track. Now, I just found out what road track means on some American signature wheels, Hemi. So this is the Hemi. I got it cranked up for y'all. They blacked out the tail lights, as you can see. RT, I got it cranked up for y'all. We had an auction. The highest bidder will win this thing. Current bid right now is $1,500, but that's just pre-bid. Pre-bid doesn't matter. It matters about sale day. But y'all see it, man. Looks like a decent little car on American signature. Nah, I said American signature. Is it American signature? American racing wheels. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about the furniture store. But check out the interior, black RT. Like I said, I just found out what road track means. So that's what road track means. So, but you see it, man. 35,000 miles. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. How much would y'all pay for this thing?
Hey Mopar fanboys, I got you guys covered today. I know you guys want to know how much the Charger sold for, so I got you guys right here. Let me start off by saying that this is a auto auction research tool website that I use to figure out the prices of these cars, who's selling the cars, everything you need to know about the history of the cars, if they were in another auction, everything you need to know. The link is in the description below if you're interested in using this, but it does cost to use this. So let's go ahead and look at this right now. They even have the window sticker here. So the base price was $33,900. The total price for this one was $38,885 for the Dodge Charger RT Road and Track. So let's go ahead back here and see what we got. So it did sell for $13,700. Low risk, original miles 35,000. It ran, that was 55% of the retail value, which was $25,972. We got a couple of things to show you guys, like we got a video here of the engine. Engine sounds good. Of course. How do you guys think that happened right there? This one was pretty cool looking, man. It had the wheels that was straight. You know what I'm saying? The wheels look pretty decent on it. And I like what they did to the tail lights too. See, I'll be giving you Mopar fanboys some props sometimes, right? Even the interior was nice in this one, like I told y'all. So if you get an RT, this was the RT to get, man. I like the seats. You don't see them a lot with the seats like this. And we can also look at the pictures here. 13,700 buckaroos. What do you think about that? Ooh. This one was alright though, I ain't gonna lie. Decent wheels on there, don't look bad. What do you guys think about the price? Would you have paid that much for the RT? Need a lot of fixing. But what you think? Let me know in the comments below. Again, if you want to use this website, the link is in the description below. This video has been sponsored to you by AutoAstat. Now, AutoAstat is a tool that I use to help me find out if cars were staged in Copart. For example, this 2021 Cadillac CT5 was sold for $24,800. But if you go down, you can actually see more information about the car. You can see that it was vandalized. That's why it's here. The car starts and everything. But if you go all the way down to the sales history, you can see that the car was also sold in 2021, and you can find out more information about it. It was sold by the insurance company State Farm, but if you click it, you can also see that the car had another lot number that sold for $20,000. If you look at the photos here, you can also see that this car actual damage was right here on the side there. So that means that someone bought the car, fixed the doors, and then resold it back in Copart for $24,800. And they actually did the writing themselves. So they were the ones who vandalized the car. This website can also be used if you want to know how much I bought my cars for, because I never really tell you guys how much I pay for cars. So you can also find how much I pay for cars and if something is fishy going on with the car. So if you are interested, my link is in the description below. Make sure you sign up with my referral link. And lastly, this website can also be used for Copart and IAA. So here's the Copart website. All you would have to do is copy the lot number or the VIN number, or you can go to IAA and also just copy the lot number. So here's the lot number here, and all you would do is set it up top, and there you go. So it works for IAA and Copart. And lastly, there is a monthly subscription. I personally use the Pro package, which is $49.95, but you can also get the personal package, which is $19.95. You can look up cars in the last 2 years, and with the Pro package you can look up cars in the last 4 years. But when I tell you guys it is worth it, it is really worth it. It has helped me save a lot of money.
What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in
You
the
are,
pandemic.
you already know,
We don't
man.
give a damn about no depression, recession. We gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.